what is basically our last day in Tokyo. Today we're gonna do a couple things, but number one is go to the Teamlabs Tokyo exhibit. They're closing. They were supposed to close last year in 2022, but they extended it for one more year. So unless they decide in the future to open it up again, this is the last time, this is the last chance, 2023 is the last chance that you'll be able to experience the Tokyo Teamlabs exhibit. So we've had friends that have gone and loved it, and now it's our turn, because we've never been. So apparently there's a spot where you get your feet get wet. So you can't wear your shoes, you can't wear your socks, and you have to leave all your bags behind. But you can bring a camera, I think. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the line's moving quick. You have to book in advance. And tickets are like $25 a person, $22 a person, something like that.
The rusted chains of prison moons are shattered by the sun. I walk a road, horizons change, the tournament's begun. The purple piper plays his tune, the choir softly sing. Three lullabies in an ancient tongue for the court of the crimson. The city keys put shutters on the dreams. I wait outside the pilgrim's door with insufficient schemes. The Black Queen chants the funeral march, the cracked brass bells will ring to summon back the fire witch to the court of the crimson.
That was Teamlabs Tokyo. They're shutting down at the end of this year, and if you can visit here before they shut down, it's definitely worth the price of admission. I've never done anything like that before, and it was a lot of fun. It was cool. If you can get here and experience it before they close, do it. Otherwise, you might have to wait until they open another one somewhere else. So we're gonna go check out the Shibuya crossing, the Shibuya scramble, and then we're gonna go grab some food at Whoopie Goldburger. Yeah, Shibuya has a lot of billboards, a lot of flashing lights. It's really bright at night, like a lot of Tokyo, but I think Shibuya is really known for that sort of Blade Runner, neon commercialism look. So in the Shibuya Scramble, if you focus on where you're going, you don't have to stop. That people will just find their own path. There's Hachiko. Over there. So Shibuya also has the Hachiko statue. Hachiko was a movie based on a real story about a very loyal Shiba Inu. can see there are just billboards and commercials and lights everywhere here. And it's even more impressive at night, but we're not going to be here at night. So probably the best place to see this event is from that Starbucks right up there. But as you can imagine, that Starbucks is always packed full. I remember I came here like 4 years ago and there was just, I think there was a 2-hour line to get into that Starbucks. So if you're able to get into the Starbucks to see the crossing, it's pretty iconic, but most people aren't going to get into that, aren't going to be able to do that. So just keep going in your direction. I don't know, that person bumped into somebody. Yeah, wait, I had to move. What? I think that tip didn't work.
Or, I don't know, yeah, I don't know which way. I don't know which way. Let's try.
So we're gonna go that way.
Yeah.
Okay. Like all major cities in the world, Shibuya has its fair share of delicious restaurants. We're going to go to one now called Whoopie Goldburger. Only because of the name. That's the only reason we're going to this restaurant. Most good restaurants, you know it's good when there's just a line out the front door. But man, it smells good. So it's probably worth the wait. What burgers did they have?
Charlotte
Gaines burger.
Whoopie Goldburger, of course.
Whoopie Goldburger, of course.
Kevin Bacon.
Definitely.
Sarah Jessica Burger.
Is it made out of horse?
Park Chi-yeon. Park Chi-yeon is a Korean actor or actress.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Cool.
Ethan Pork.
Ethan Pork.
Burger.
Who's that? No, who is it? I don't know.
Actor.
Ethan Pork?
Ethan Hawke.
Oh, Ethan Hawke. Oh. Alright, that's a bit of a stretch. This sign looks pretty gnarly. I think they need to replace it. Well, we got our table. Probably right here. We get to eat in front of it. This whole line of people. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
You want to sit here or there?
I'll sit here. You think there's a toilet inside?
I don't know, you gotta ask.
Oh, okay. I was like, why is the mascot for this place the Mothman? But it's not. It's a beer. Here's the situation. We ordered our food in line, so we should be good to go. It should be out in a little while. We've been sitting in line for probably 45 minutes. So it's a little long, but hopefully it's worth it. That's good. Is it gin? Or is it whiskey? It's not.
Shochu.
Shochu. Not over there.
Oh, but it said John lemon sour, so what depends on what John.
John. Maybe.
Is it John Lennon actor?
John Lennon.
John Lennon. That's it.
John, right.
John Lemon sour.
The John Lemon Sour. Here they come.
ゴールドバーガー2つで、マッシュポテト、
マッシュポテトで。
こっちがフレンチフライ。
Now that is a whoopie goldburger. Okay, whoopie goldburger. Let me give some honest thoughts. The hamburger is fine. I think you can get better hamburgers elsewhere. If you're gonna come here, go for maybe one of the more specialty burgers. Maybe the Kevin Bacon. Our friend here got fig, cream cheese, and what? Fig and cream cheese burger. That's probably the way to go. The normal burger is fine. It's nothing special. It's good, but it's not the best I've ever had. I feel like I've had better burgers at Five Guys, honestly. So if you come here and you're able to sit inside too, we're 3 people, so we wanted to sit outside here on the bench to be together instead of sitting on the at the counter, being like separating, cut off. The atmosphere inside is probably pretty good. As for regular burgers, probably not worth it. Specialty burger, probably worth it. That's my review. Thank you for liking the video, subscribing, or commenting, and we're gonna move on to our next point.